I literally had to drive 2 hours to go get my ID from some bar that I fucking left it at. So I picked up my friend. We proceeded to go to every bar on that street, and then we stopped at our friend's house because he lives in the same neighborhood as all those bars. Homie was passed out, so we decided to fuck with him since we're connected to his Wi-Fi and connect to his YouTube TV. Wait, you can go on YouTube and like connect that way, maybe. Are we connected to his Wi-Fi? I promise it just gets absolutely worse. This was before we had the balls to just go straight up to his door. And we were hiding behind the fence. While he was sleeping, we're crazy! Put these bitches on safety mode because we're about to run. We started a whole conga line in his yard and he had the audacity to miss it. Baby crying 24 hours, no wonder why it's on there. When we leave, we're leaving babies crying on.
What's an ad? Sorry, Lorenzo.
When we're only sorry about the ad and not the entirety of everything.
We're insane.
Look behind you. I'm behind you.
Let's just do 1 hour. I don't want to stir up the neighborhood.
And then add a queue.
Can I do it? He's gonna get mad.
The way he literally didn't get mad at all and just thought it was the funniest thing in the world.